Hello there. This is Nason Bimbe from OpenFaith. And today, what's on our mind, I'm going to show you how to enable cookie consent on your Aspen Discovery System. Before delving into it, what exactly is cookie consent? A cookie consent refers to an act of giving our website user, in this case, your Aspen user, a choice on whether they want to allow cookies to collect data about them on your system. This isn't a recommendation. It is a legal requirement for all websites, including your Aspen. It is therefore important that this is set up on your system. Aspen provides you with easy-to-use facility to enable it. To configure it, you need to log in as admin user, go to Aspen administration, primary configuration, library system. Under there, click into the library system you want to edit or add or enable the cookie consent for. Then go to data protection regulation section. You will need to enable the cookie messaging by checking the require cookie storage consent. You can also add your cookie policy for users who may want more information in the text box. So I will show you on my Aspen system how this looks like. So I've logged in as an admin user and go to the location within the administration section in the primary configuration. And there I have this, I searched for cookies and I get to data protection regulation section and I can see there require cookie storage consent is enabled, which means it's active on this side. I've also got extra text, which is the policy for this Aspen system that the user will see. So once it's enabled, users will begin to see a cookie pop-up immediately. The default language, which is on the cookie banner, is we use cookies on this site to enhance your user experience. Your details about the cookies and technology we use, see our cookie policy. Using this banner, we'll set a cookie on your device to remember your preferences. So this is how it will look like. If I go to my system, I've just opened as anonymous user so that I can get it. There it is. Now you can see you've got accept cookies or only accept essential cookies, but also it got this underlying, which when I click it, gives me the cookie policy. That's the text that you enter into that text box area. Okay. So if a user clicks on the underlying cookie policy, they will be taken to a pop-up with the text in the cookie policy text box where they can accept all cookies or only accept essential cookies. That's what I've shown. So what happens when the user clicks the accept cookies, accept all cookies or accept essential cookies? Aspen will store the cookie consent options with the user when logged in. When logged out, it will store the selected options in a cookie. When logging in, Aspen will transfer the settings from cookie to the user if the user has not already got it. You can also hide Google Analytics tracking code if the user has opted out of tracking, which I'll show you where. So what are essential cookies? Essential cookies are necessary cookies that are used to make a website function correctly. Aspen has always utilized essential cookies. This new development is primarily due to Aspen's usage in Europe and the EU's GDPR and displaying cookie consent. In the 2004-05 release, the ability to indicate by JavaScript snippet if it contains analytics cookies was added. So you can see this when you go to Aspen Administration, Local Enrichment, JavaScript snippet. When you click on that snippet, you'll see a checkbox which says contains cookies. So this will only apply to JavaScript snippets if cookie consent is given while required consent is enabled. So I'll show you exactly where this is. So yeah, so this is, in the Java snippet, which is local enrichment, JavaScript snippets. I selected my JavaScript snippet, and I can see here there is contains Google Analytics. Once this is checked, then it will not collect analytics for that user. So once cookies are enabled, you may also want to adjust the default colors of the banner to match your library theme. So to adjust the colors, again, with Aspen, everything is accessible. It's very straightforward. You go to Aspen Administration, Theme and Layout, into the themes, select the theme that you want, and then look for cookie consent section, and then you can change the colors as shown here. I can show you how that looks like. I go into my theme and layout. I've selected my theme here already. So I just look for cookie, and there I have cookie consent. So I can select all the colors that I need that might suit your branding. So when you enable require cookie storage consent Aspen, users will see a section in their account called your privacy settings. So this is what they'll see in that setting. So under account settings, they'll see your private settings. And when you drill down on that, your private settings, they'll see my private settings, so they can turn on, turn off here what they want. And then they update their preferences. And where they will be able to opt in, and also where they'll be able to opt in or out of third-party analytics, such as Google Analytics and Local Analytics. So again, it's there where it's also set up there. So once you set up that the JavaScript exception, then that will kick in, depending on what they've selected here. So cookie consent being a legal requirement, you must set it up when you set up your Aspen Discovery System. There is documentation on Aspen Help Center, and the link is provided there. Just search under cookies section, and you will get all the information that you require. Thank you, and goodbye.